Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can watch Crackle even if you are outside the states of US. So, first of all, let's go ahead and go to Play Store and check if Crackle is available in our region. So you can see that it is not available. Now what you need to do is go ahead and install any VPN and open it, and then enter into US. Go to the globe section and enter into the US, and then let's check again if the Crackle is available now. So as you can see, it is still not available. Let's reload the page, let's check it again, and if it is still not available, I have a solution for you. You should go ahead and tap on Play Store, check on it again, and the last option is to tap on Play Store, go to its settings, click on Force Stop, and then clear its cache memory. Now you can go to Play Store and in the search bar, search for Crackle. You can now see that Crackle will be available in your device. Click Install, wait for a while as Crackle will install, and soon you will be able to watch movies and series for free. The download speed might vary according to the internet speed of your ISP, so make sure you keep your patience, and then you are ready for a lot of entertainment with Crackle. You can see that Crackle is installing after it has been downloaded, and now you can click Open and then enjoy Crackle. You can get a lot of movies and series for free, and now you can start enjoying the movies. So this was a video on how you can watch Crackle even if you are not in US. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.